Hi everyone, meet Sheetal, one of our amazing coding and maths teacher. She is going to share about her passion for teaching, her experience with Debbie Learning and some student success stories. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video and hear from her.
So, hi Sheetal, let's introduce yourself to the audience.
Yeah, so I'm Sheetal and I am a BTech graduate with computers and IT as my main stream.
Okay.
And I've been working for the past 15 years as of now, where I have multiple experience like of manufacturing sector, and then I changed my career into teaching.
Okay,
So
that's
right
great.
now I have been teaching for almost 10 years as of now.
Okay, that's a great experience. So, like, what makes teaching interesting to you?
When I teach students, that is a kind of joy I feel because when I see them, smiling to to something when they achieve in their studies, or example, you can say, when they are in a complex coding, let's say, and suddenly their code works, so that their face lights up with joy. So that is one thing which refreshes my mind also. Some
Okay.
tricky questions of mathematics when they are able to solve it
Hmm.
and it makes them happy and in return that makes me happy too. So teaching is like my passion other
Hmm.
than whatever work I have at my home or my other schedules. I definitely find out time to teach students.
That's a great initiative. So, like, what all do you specialize in? Like, what all you teach to kids?
Right now I'm teaching mathematics and coding to
Okay.
students, and
Hmm.
I have students from India as well as abroad. That is the
Hmm.
one great opportunity, I should say, that I am able to connect with students from all over different countries, so I'm able to broaden my teaching perspective with the help of that.
Okay, that's great. So, how has your experience been with Debbie Learning?
It's really wonderful as of now, I should say. I've been working almost 6 years, 6 months, and the wonderful experience is really very wonderful, I should say, because it provides me flexibility in my schedule, which is one important thing I would like to have. And management is quite approachable anytime.
Hmm.
Whenever I have any doubts or any questions, I can reach out to them directly.
Okay, that's great. So 6 months with Debbie Learning. So how many do you think how many classes or number of students have you taught till now?
I should say, to be specific, I have taught at least 300 classes as of now. And currently, I'm having 14 students with me right now who are learning mathematics as well as coding.
Okay, that's great. So like you have taught multiple students and 300 plus classes. So can you tell me any specific instance where you felt happy or proud about a student at Debbie Learning?
See, if I should say, every student of mine is very wonderful, or I should say, very close to me, because they
Hmm.
are all are doing very well. If I want to point, like say about one or two, uh, I feel everyone has made me happy in some or the other way. Just for example, if I should say Henry, he was my
Hmm.
first student. So
Okay.
at Debbie Learning, he was my first student. So definitely he has a special corner for I have a special corner for him. And he's so brilliant in coding. So the project, one thing what I like is, he challenges himself. One time
Okay.
he will do a project, second time he will make a harder project than that,
Hmm.
and he quickly grasps the concepts whatever I teach him. So the one incident where he made a very complex project, learning all the instances what I have taught to him, and without my help he was able to build a game of his own. And the joy he had on his face, he was so excited to show that to his parents as well as to his teachers over there where he lives. So that makes me so happy that no, it was such a great moment for me.
Like the child you are teaching is learning and actually implementing it in real life.
Yes, practically they are implementing
Hmm.
everything, and they are able to think logically. They are able to analyze the situations, what can happen in this way or that way. They are able to think, how can we make this more complex? How can we challenge ourselves more in the field of coding? So that's really great.
Okay, great. So, one last question, what do you think, how much important is a bond between a teacher and a student, and especially when it's an online class?
That's really very important. I should say bond between a teacher and a student is very important, because see, when it comes to a classroom teaching, it's different, right? Because you are face to face with the student and you can understand if he or she is facing any problem and you can ask. But when we are online, it's we are too far, but still,
Right.
if we don't share that bond, the student will lose the interest in the class. So first thing is, we should have a great bond between both of us. So it's not only about teaching, right? If I start the class and I start with the teaching immediately without asking how is he, what did he do today, is he happy or is he sad about something, then they will not be so much interested in my class, right? So that's why I am like a friend to every student. They share their personal things with me. Like, one of my students, Tivanatu, in every class, she will tell me about what happened in her whole day before the class. If she met with a small injury, also, she will show me. If she got a beautiful doll today, a new gift, she will show me. And then we will start the class. Another student, Miran, after every class, he will wait that my teacher is going to give me find the difference puzzle. So we can play for, some time, at least 5 minutes in the last of the class. One student waits that we are going to play tic-tac-toe. So, they have a good bond with me in every class. It's not only about teaching. They love with teaching as well as they love me. Same feeling I have, I love them. And it makes me so happy when they come up with their personal ideas or personal problems also with me, and they share it with me as a friend, not as a teacher.
Wow, that's really amazing that kids are loving your classes and your way of teaching, and it's really keeping them engaged. Amazing. Thank you so much, Sheetal, for sharing your journey and your experience at Debbie Learning. It will really mean a lot for the parents who are looking up. Thank you so much, Sheetal, for joining.